Wow, it feels really good. Wow, it has that iconic Apple smell. My friends, how are you? I'm Andres Neshudo, and as you already saw in the title, in this thing that you can feel, I'm bringing you the unboxing of one of the most desired MacBooks, the new MacBook Neo, which just came out. A few days ago, I told you I was going to bring the unboxing of all the new products they introduced. So if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now so you don't miss any videos, don't miss any news in the world of technology. Straight to the point and with friendly language. Also, tell me, what are you drinking while watching this video? I'm having an espresso, but let's get straight to the point. Unboxing of the new MacBook Neo. Have you heard about it yet? Apple's boxes are pretty minimalist. We have MacBook Neo at the bottom and on the back. We have the information about this product. It's made from recycled paper packaging, and well, let's get straight to the point. By the way, this is the cheapest MacBook you can buy. You can get it here in Mexico starting at 12,999 pesos. It's available in silver, blush, which is this one here, kind of pinkish, yellow, citrus, and indigo, which is a kind of blue. It's also important for you to know that there are two models. They start at 256 gigabyte, which is this model here, and there's the 512 gigabyte one as well. On the keyboard, it includes touch identification. This channel is known for getting straight to the point. So let's get to that much anticipated unboxing and see what's inside the box of Apple's new cheapest MacBook. We're greeted with the iconic hello, hi, wow. Honestly, it's not very heavy. I mean, it feels pretty good. I think the weight distribution is really nice. Let's take it out of the box and see what else is inside. It tells us that it's designed by Apple in California. It gives us all the information that you most likely read. And finally, a simple charger, as it should be. It's the 20-watt charger and the USB type cable. You don't need anything else. By the way, have you already told me what you're drinking? If not, go quickly so you don't miss out and we'll keep chatting here. Nothing like a good espresso. But anyway, I'll get straight to the point. So, how does this new Apple model look? Now it's time for the truth. Easy. Wow, it feels really good. It's like it turns gray, especially this model. Let's see, a lot of people were asking me why I haven't been bumping into things lately. Let's go over here where it connects. Let's bring the iconic Apple smell, the iconic Apple taste. This is in honor of you. The longtime followers of this channel know what I mean. Let's remove the screen protector and here we have it. A simple computer, a computer that just because it's affordable doesn't mean it's not powerful. I mean that it's not powerful. In fact, it's not that affordable. But it is an entry-level model that competes with many Windows computers out there. They were taking a lot of customers from Apple, and Apple said, well, I'm going to launch my cheapest model so that many people can access it. And this is the example. This is what they did. It greets us with the iconic hello. I'm going to set it up quickly. Done. Let's see, it's a Mac that has everything from Apple. I mean, it comes with Mac operating system 26. Can you run all its applications? As you already saw, it comes with USB Type-C. We have 2 ports, and here we also have a headphone jack and the speakers. Honestly, I'm surprised. It's a pretty good stereo sound. It sounds incredible. How did Apple manage to make it for its price? Well, this is where it comes in. How did Apple figure it out and pull it off? This work of art, for example, let's see, is very powerful, but yes, it's different from an Air or a Pro. For example, the trackpad isn't touch sensitive. I mean, it's literally a button. And the other models are haptic, which, well, honestly, it doesn't matter. For many users, it works perfectly fine. Another detail I've noticed so far is that the keyboard doesn't light up, and in the cheapest version, which is the one I have here, it doesn't have touch identification, so to unlock it, you need your password, okay? That's how they gradually managed it. Well, it's so affordable, but it's also so powerful, and you have the whole Apple ecosystem because you have Apple Intelligence, you have AirDrop, you have pretty much everything. You can have this computer. You can also have the new iPhone 17e and the entry-level Apple Watch, and you're already part of the whole ecosystem. You can copy on the iPhone, paste here. Anyway, that's pretty good. Another way they achieve this is by putting the iPhone chip in it. It has the A18 Pro chip, unlike the Air and the Pro, which have the M5 chip, which are more powerful. But this computer will help you get your daily work done for school, for workshops, for the office. Do you use the new MacBook Neo? It will give you up to 16 hours of battery life. And who is it for exactly? I think it's for all those people who don't need that much and don't want to spend that much on a Mac and want portability. They want the new Apple design because we have several colors available that are pretty cool, and maybe they won't use it to edit really professional stuff. Maybe they'll just use it to edit videos but not really professional ones. Or are they going to use it for work? To carry all the Word, Excel pages, numbers, documents, make presentations for AI, it's actually going to work pretty well too. Let's see what people come up with using this new Mac. Let's see if they start using it for open cloud. Let's see what happens. The thing is, honestly, for its price, this computer has great quality. If you're new to Apple or don't need much power, it's perfect for you. Does it have a 1080p FaceTime camera? Anyway, it's pretty cool, but I'll read your comments. Tell me first, what were you drinking while watching this video? Second, if you like the new MacBook Neo. And third, if you're going to buy it. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe, because you already know there's a lot of straight to the point tech content here, entertainment, and with friendly language. My friends, that was an unboxing straight to the point, right to the MacBook Neo. I'm Andres Nasciuto. See you in my next video. Big hug to everyone. Goodbye.